People ask, if I want clean, high-quality drinking water just at my kitchen sink, what system would you recommend? And we usually use the Pure 75 reverse osmosis system. It goes right under your sink. You can tee it off to a separate faucet and also run and tee it off to your ice maker as well. Somebody called the other day and said a water company just quoted me $5,000 for a water treatment system, which included a reverse osmosis. Do I really need one? Typically, if you have TDS levels of 500 and above, the only way to reduce that is for your drinking water is with a reverse osmosis system. One of the things that reverse osmosis will remove that a regular carbon filter doesn't is TDS, or total dissolved solids. People ask, is reverse osmosis water healthy to drink? Because I heard it strips out all the minerals. Basically, it is healthy to drink. It's clean, very safe water. And the minerals don't really matter, because in order to get any benefit from the minerals in the water, you probably have to, what they estimate is, drink about 800 glasses of water a day. People ask, what are the downsides of reverse osmosis? Well, the one thing is it takes 2 gallons of water to make 1 gallon of water. So you are wasting about 1 gallon of water every time it recharges or refills the tank. You have to service it every 6 months and change the pre and the post filter. And depending on what model you have to change the membrane every 1 to 2 years. So there is an ongoing cost. People ask, your systems go from $275 to $895. What's the difference as the price goes up? The filtration gets more advanced, and certain things that the lower end unit can't remove, the higher end unit can remove. People ask, should I do a whole house reverse osmosis system and cover every fixture in the house? If you have $10,000 or $15,000 that you can spend on it, because you not only need a commercial size unit in your basement, you need multiple storage tanks, possibly an inline pump to push the water from the storage tanks, and you may need to filter the water again after the reverse osmosis, because it does reduce the pH level. It can't remove bacteria. If you have bacteria in the water, you have to have a UV light first. The cost could be astronomical. People ask, I'm on well water. Can I install a reverse osmosis by itself and be done with it? No, you need to test your water. You got to remove any iron, high levels of hardness, high levels of sediment before it gets to the reverse osmosis. So no, you just can't install one by itself. People ask, how often do the filters in a reverse osmosis need to be changed, and what's the cost? The cost depends on the type of system you have. Typically, the pre and the post filter have to be changed every 6 months or so, and the membranes have to be changed every year to 2 years, depending on what type of system it is. People ask, can I install the reverse osmosis myself? Yeah, they usually come with pretty good directions as far as installation goes, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube that help you get through it. But I would also recommend a plumber if if you're not sure and you're not really mechanically inclined, call your local plumber and have them do it. After 32 years in the industry, what do I have under my own sink? I do not have any type of under sink filtration. I prefer to do the whole house. I have a big carbon tank and a water softener because I'm on city water, which tastes like crap. So I opt to do the whole house at one time. If you want to contact me directly, text me at 443-277-2204 or use our online chat at www.midatlanticwater.net or call 800-460-5810. We're open Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.